So, welcome back to part 3 of the Porsche 996. Now, it's sort of, I'd like to have done an episode at a time, so we've done all the steering, then we did the coolant, and now we're moving on to the suspension. But the coolant I'm not 100% have fixed, but I have changed the cap, checked a few other things out, and I'm quite happy. Done about a 50-mile journey, and it was okay. But during that 50-mile journey, the thing that I said was wrong on the first time I drove the car, not when I bought it, but the first time I drove it, once I sorted the steering, I thought, back rear shock doesn't seem right. And guess what? It's not. So let me go down and show you, and you'll see how bad it is. Got myself in a little bit of a tight spot here, really. So here we are, right rear shock, and that's where it's split, and that's where it's dropped all its oil. Now I'm pretty sure if I poked a screwdriver at that, it would probably just go through at the bottom. So the plan is, take the anti-roll bar off, take that little drop link off there, maybe replace a drop link. If it's okay, I'll keep it. Replace the rear shock, the bolt at the bottom, and 3 bolts at the top, 3 nuts at the top and the inside. But I do need to get inside the car, and I'm not sure how we're going to do that, but there's probably some trim to remove. But what I will do as well, when we take the shock off, I'm just going to get to all this, do some poor man powder coating on the springs. The spring is in good order, it's not broke. I mean, that's all you're looking for on a spring, really. I'm not looking to uprate it. I'm pretty happy with Porsche, what they developed. So we'll take all this off, give it a coat of paint, and let's get starting. Get the 17 up there, and I'll get the 16 socket on this. Gives us a chance to inspect these as well and see if there's any play in them. Feel too bad, to be honest. I always like to put the nut back on and then you don't lose it. So the same on the other side. Bottom bolt, 3 inside, and we're done. Right. Now this was a 16 at the other end. Right, so let's just drift this bolt out here. There we go, so that's the bottom of the shock off. Right, so we've just got to get inside now. As I say, this is nice and compact. So, start off with taking these out. So we can get the right socket. There we go. Nearly put the back window through. That'd have been a good start, wouldn't it? Good God! Which evil person invented the back of this? Fuck. He's still there. Sorry. This is quite compact. Oh yeah, I didn't break it. That's that out. Ah, I see. They're right, you know. So we'll do the same on the other side. Right, can you see this is coming out? So that's that now out. Apparently there's a connector on here, wiring connector. That's that disconnected. So put the boom box and the passenger side, driver's side. So now we're going to get this carpet out of the way, which I'm told will lift out. these brackets here now. There we go, that's that bracket off, that side. We've now got access to the shock with the 3 bolts there. I don't think you could sit for any long time in the back of one of these, could you? Unless you're 3 years old. I pretty much suspect these are the original shocks, because I haven't seen anything in any of the invoices to say otherwise, and just looking at the condition of them, and I don't think anyone's ever been in here before. So that's the work inside done. Right, where is it there? There we go, that's that at the bottom. And down it goes. So there we go, one out. Just going to do the same on the other side and then get them on the bench. So we've got the shocks on the operating table now, and we'll just have a look, and you can see really this is quite bad design, that this just fills up here with crap. Let's just get you a little bit more. Yeah, so it is just gonna fill with crap here and then probably rot down, which I think is what's happened on the other one. Ah, there, I can see it coming through there, there's a hole. Oh, wean out. Anyone see that? Look, woo! Yep, so that's completely shot. Right, woo! I've inspected all these and they're all okay, so I'm happy with the top mounts, happy with the bellows and the bump stops in here, which are built into the end here. The springs just need some Pullman's powder coating. The top of these as well, it's a little bit rusty on the edge, but it is very thick steel and underneath, so I'm just again going to wire brush them, brush treat them and powder coat them. Just going to check on the rest of the car. I think I need a suspension arm at the back, and that's probably going to do for now, I would say. So if that's the end of the episode, because it might be, because it could have took too long, not sure, we'll see. If it is, please like, please subscribe. I'll get the parts in order, and when they come back we'll be fitting the new parts. Thank you, bye.